Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. It's been a while I haven't done any Bollywood celebrity inspired look, so I thought of recreating this particular one. This looked so beautiful, soft, subtle and glowy, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, starting off with my hair, and always remember your hair plays a really important role, especially if you are recreating any celebrity inspired look. First I'm gonna comb my hair really well so that there is no knots or no frizz. Normally I have nice straight hair, but I don't know why my hair is looking so bad today. I'm gonna straighten my hair anyway, but before that I'm gonna use this heat protection hair mist from BBLUNT. I don't directly spritz it on my hair. Instead I take a little bit on my palm, then I gently apply it on my hair strands. And guys, using a heat protectant is so important. I'm so guilty of not using it earlier, but after I started using it, there is no going back. To straighten my hair today, I'll be using this BBLUNT Pro Insta Smooth Hair Straightening Brush with Ionic technology, which means it generates negative ions to eliminate frizz and static in hair by leaving you frizz-free, soft and smooth hair. It comes with 4 adjustable temperature settings from 160 degrees centigrade to 220 degrees. The ceramic coated bristles ensure even heating across the brush while protecting the scalp from the heat, and the best part is the straightener provides 2 times better frizz control. You can create multiple hairstyles with this particular brush, and also this is designed by hair experts to give you salon-like hair at home. BBLUNT is a brand that has created so many iconic Bollywood looks, right from Dil Chahta Hai to Dawn, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dhoom 3 and so on. I really liked Katrina Kaif's hairstyle in Dhoom 3 and also Anushka Sharma's look from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. It's so beautiful. I loved her hair. I hope I'm doing justice to this particular look because I am so in love with this look. And by the way, I found out this on VAANI Kapoor's Instagram account. So this is how it looks like now. I'm gonna set them in place, and for that I'm using this BBLUNT Hotshot Hold Spray. Along with setting your hair in place, this is also gonna tame down your frizz. And lastly, I'm gonna use this BBLUNT Hotshot Finish Hairspray. It adds a beautiful shine to my hair and it stays all day long. These are available on Flipkart, Amazon as well as Chroma.com. Now let's get started with the makeup, and I'm super excited. First I'm starting off with the good hydrating moisturizer to moisturize and hydrate my face. Next I'm using a glowy illuminating primer to get that glass skin sort of a look. VAANI Kapoor has a beautiful glowy dewy flawless skin. We don't have that, so we are gonna mimic that. Most probably she has used any stroke cream or something like that. I have this one, so I used this one. Now to achieve that beautiful glowy dewy flawless looking skin, I'm gonna use a skin tint. Skin tints are my absolutely favorite from past 2022. It's been a year or so I'm using skin tints and they look so beautiful and natural on the skin. It just looks like your skin but better. Next I'm taking a loose powder and I'm gonna dust off very lightly because I want to set the cream products in place, but I don't want my base to look heavy or cakey. Now I'm gonna use a dewy finish setting mist to set my base makeup in place. This is gonna deal with the powderiness that I have on my face right now, and also it's gonna leave a beautiful glow on my skin. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna take this beautiful matte shade from this palette and applying it all over my crease. The eye makeup was so simple yet subtle. There's nothing much to do, but it looks so beautiful. And here I'm just dealing with the extra products that I have on my eyelid with the help of my fingers so that it looks very soft and subtle. I'm gonna keep my brows very soft and natural just like hers, and I'm gonna use a brow setting gel just to set them in place. Moving on to the blush, and it's clearly visible that she has applied a very pinky rosy toned blush on her cheeks, on her nose, and I'm mostly focusing on the apples of my cheeks as well as on my nose. She has a very soft subtle highlighter going on, and first I'm applying it on my eyelid, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, everywhere where you apply your highlighter, but I kept it very soft and subtle. And if you are wondering, all of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara, and can you guys believe it? The eye makeup is complete. The lip shade was something which was so difficult to find out, and gladly I found this one, which is an exact match. So yep, that's it you guys. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you like this particular video because I enjoyed so much creating this one. So definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and I would love to know that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.